Beat the heat. Understanding and using the phrase. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to dive into a fun and useful English phrase, beat the heat. This expression is popular, especially during the summer months. Understanding phrases like this is not only interesting but also helps in making your English more fluent and natural. So, let's get started. The phrase, beat the heat, is an idiomatic expression used to describe various ways to avoid or cope with very hot weather. It's a metaphorical way of saying that you're trying to win against the heat, much like you would in a competition or a battle. While the exact origin is unclear, beat the heat likely emerged from everyday conversations. The word, beat, in this context means to overcome or triumph over, and heat refers to high temperatures. Together, they create a vivid image of conquering the discomfort caused by hot weather. This phrase is often used in casual conversations, especially during summer. For example, we're going to the beach to beat the heat this weekend. I drink lots of water to beat the heat. It can also be seen in advertising for products like air conditioners or summer events. Similar phrases include cool off, escape the heat, or stay cool. All these expressions convey a similar idea of finding relief from hot weather. In many English-speaking countries, where summers can get quite hot, you'll often hear this phrase. It's a part of everyday language during the warmer months and is understood by people of all ages. That's all about the phrase, beat the heat. We hope this video has been informative and helps you stay cool in conversations, especially during the summer. Remember, learning such phrases can add a lively touch to your English. Stay tuned for more interesting English expressions. Bye for now.